guys, Kristen and Iris.
Hi.
Out here in the Burnside Garden. It's a gorgeous weekend. Just happened upon Iris over here in the peppers doing some weeding. How do you know what the difference is? Because sometimes I think, gosh, that's a plant, or maybe it's not. You know, I don't know. Do you have a way that you can tell?
Well, we're lucky here because we have Pat, and he gives us, we have the big plants that we can see and identify, and commonly a lot of these ones that are growing on the ground would be considered weeds, and we just rip them out. I, however, subscribe to a lot of natural health people and people who do a lot of wild foraging, and I get to learn about different plants that are used as food and that are good for food that we don't really know about. So there's just different things that sometimes as I'm weeding, I'll make a mental note, come back and get that later and try it at home, you know.
So you can eat this stuff?
Yeah, some of it. Yeah, my cat loves these things. I'm not really sure what it's called, but it seems to act like some kind of wild catnip.
So if we have any random cats coming around, we know why.
Yeah, and I would check it out before I, advised anybody to just pick something up and eat it. I would never say
so
just...
Google's your friend.
Yeah, Google's your friend, and maybe look up some wild foraging aficionados.
So thank you so much, Iris.
Sure.
This is really great information. If you guys are interested in coming out and learning from Iris or Pat, you can come out and volunteer here in the garden. They're here on Saturday mornings and Wednesday as well. You can visit our website at www.historicbethlehem.org to learn more.